Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you the 3 fishing spots to catch the secret fishes in Sisyphus Statue. So I've already in the Sisyphus statue in here, and I just got my giant squid in here in the Sisyphus statue, and I'm going to show you the exact location where I got this secret fish. So the first locations is you can just head to this quest board in here, and then the first spot is right in front of this board, so you can just go fish in here. That's the first spot. And the second spot in here, you can just from the entrance you can just go left until you found these rocks in here. So this is where I got the squid, so I go fish in here near these rocks. And the last one, the last location, you can just go left again until you found this rock, and then you can go fish in this location. So that's the third spot. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.